what is secret of email marketing? So this video is very important. There are certain people who are telling me about this particular thing. What you think about secret of email marketing? I think when it comes to having a secret about email marketing, one thing which we need to understand, when you are providing the value to your email marketing list, in that time you need to become their friend, and you need to provide the value in such a way where they can truly they can connect with you. They can straight away feel that, okay, this man is not here to sell something, he is here to help me out, right? So when they think about this particular thing, then only they're gonna trust you, otherwise they are not going to trust you, right? So the problem is, so many email marketer right now is that they get someone on their list and they started promoting their product and services. So in that time, if a customer is there and if he wanted to increase his weight, he wants to gain his weight, so in that time, if you don't provide any tips, any tricks, any value in advance to him for free, if you're not able to do that, then in that time his expectation not met yet. So that's why he's not going to see your message, he's not going to see your promotional message, and that's very painful situation which you need to avoid it. If you really wanted to sell something through the email, what you need to understand is that till the time you are not going to provide the value to the people, they are not going to buy from you. So that's very important to understand. Try to provide the value to the people. There is a rule of 3:1. You have to give value in the 3 email, and then the last one, the only one email which you're gonna write, it's a promotional, but you have to write in such a way where they can think that you are their friend. So if you like this video, make sure to comment on video what one thing you like. You can share this particular video to other email marketers. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.